Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear educants. I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. From the Educators Online Support System, I am your science teacher and today I am here to give you the class 7 science review. As our final term syllabus has been completed, so now the educators have decided to provide a short review of SMART syllabus. So dear students, I hope you all are ready. So let's begin. So dear students, this one is the title page of your science book and this one is the content page of your book. And in this content, we have done the unit number 2, transport systems in animals and plants. Then the unit number 6, composition of matter. And at the last, unit number 9, reflection and dispersion of light. So dear students, we have completed the unit number 2, transport systems in animals and plants, and in this unit we have discussed the human heart, their muscles, their chambers and the double blood circulation. And in a blood vessels we have discussed there are three types. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Then we have done the reading of blood cells. There are three types of blood cells: white blood cells, red blood cells and platelets. Then after that the heart diseases and then the heart surgery. So dear students, in a unit number 2, we have also discussed the transport system in plants, and here we have discussed the internal structure of root, internal structure of stem, internal structure of leaf, and what is transpiration and also the importance of transpiration. So dear students, this one is the outline from book of unit number 2. So from book we have done the reading and the objective from I wonder, remember and understand. And from exercise we have done the recall questions 1 till 5 and higher order thinking questions 6 till 10 on your notebook. And at the last we have done the worksheet of unit number 2. So dear students, after the unit number 2, we have completed the unit number 6, composition of matter. And in this unit, we have discussed the structure of atom, their particles, atoms having a three particles: protons, neutrons and electrons. Electrons having a negative charge, protons having positive charge and neutrons have a no charge. Then the atomic number and mass number. The sum of protons and neutrons in an atom is called mass number, and the number of protons in an atom is called atomic number. After that, we have discussed the isotopes. Isotopes means that atom having the same atomic number but different mass number. This one is called the isotopes. So dear students, in a unit number 6, we have also discussed the electronic configuration. Means the arrangement of electrons in an orbit is called electronic configuration. Then after that, the valency and formation of ions. There are two types of ions, cations and anions. Cations having a positive charge and anion having a negative charge. After that, the law of constant composition means the composition of a substance is always the same regardless of how the substance is found and where the substance is made. So dear students, this one is the outline from book of unit number 6, and from book we have done the reading and the objective from let's find out, remember and understand. And the exercise of this unit is not included, so that's why we have done the internal question answers from 1 till 8 and also do a worksheet of unit number 6. So dear students, after the unit number 6, we have completed the unit number 9, reflection and dispersion of light. And in this unit, we have discussed the reflection of light, means the bending of a ray of light when it strikes a new material boundary at an angle. Means you can see in a diagram when an incidence ray fall on any smooth surface, after that it reflected and make an angle of refraction. This one is reflection of light. Then is reflective index. The ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in the material is called reflective index. So dear students, in a unit number 9, we have also discussed the total internal reflection, means when light rays striking the boundary of a transparent medium are reflected inside the denser medium. Optical fibers. Optical fibers are used for inspection in human body and even in a machine. Dispersion of light. Dispersion of light means the splitting of white light into its component colors. Rainbow. The spectrum of light appearing in a sky in a form of a multicolored circular arc is called a rainbow formation, and a rainbow has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And the last point is pigments and filters. Pigments means chemicals which reflect only certain colors, and filters a piece of colored glass or a plastic which allows some colors to pass through but filters out all the others. These are called the filters. So dear students, this one is the outline from book of unit number 9, and from book we have done the reading and the objective from I wonder, remember and understand. And the exercise of this unit is not included, so that's why we have done the internal question answers from 1 till 11 on your notebook, and at the last we have done the worksheet of unit number 9. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you and you all have understood all the points carefully. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.